Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can write reviews online on Google, to be precise. So today I think every business has a Google business profile online. So let's say you are visiting a restaurant, an office, a bank or something like that. They have profiles online and then they give locations as well. So people that visit there also give reviews about their services and the rest. So in this tutorial I'll be using a web host. So web hosting in Ghana. So they are going to give me tons of businesses here. You can see them here and you can see their reviews here. So I'm going to read these reviews in order to opt for the business that I think is going to do well for me, and then I do business with them, something like that. So now let's tap on more businesses here. And you can see they are giving me StomaHost, they are giving me G Site Online, they are giving me AviHost, Web at Hand, they are giving me Nacrotech, a lot of them. I don't know why it's not loading fast. They're giving me Evolve Ghana and the rest, and you can see all of them have reviews. StomaHost has 72 reviews. G Site Online has 140. So now let's hop on their profile here. And let me show you guys how you can write a review there, or how you can read reviews by people there. So now you hop on this is their profile. This is how their profile looks like. So this is their services here, and this is their review. So I think most of the people giving the reviews are choosing 5-star, 4-star, and then 3-star. So it's like they have like few reviews, something like that. So now to read reviews, you just tap on here. So now let's tap here for the reviews. Good. So we tap here for the reviews, and now let's scroll down to read these reviews by customers. So you can read them here. Good. And you can add yours. So you just tap on the stars there. So after reading them, good. So you add, so let me accept, good. So let me accept. Now let me type something. Let me type like good. And if I have an image or a photo, I can add it. So in this case, I don't have any image or photo. Like, but let's say if it's a restaurant and then you took a picture of there, you can upload the picture alongside your comment like that, and then let's post it. And they are saying good. That's it. So I've sent my review. If I added an image, it will be sent there. So now let me tap on done, and my review would have to pop up in the old reviews. So it's reloading. Let's wait for it to reload and let's see. So today my network is a bit bad, but then let's wait. So good, it's here. So now let's move to the reviews and see whether I'm going to see mine there. So to see mine, I think we will have to move to newest, something like that. It's here. So it's here. So you can see good. So that's how you write a review for businesses online on Google. So if you add an image to if I uploaded an image, you see the image here, you see my rating and you see my text. That's it. So that's how you rate or you write reviews on businesses you visit physically, whether it's been a bank, restaurant, a place, a tourist place, or anything like that. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.